introduce myself. My name is Vena Melia, NPM 2341239, and on this occasion I will present material about consumer protection. Definition of consumer protection. Consumer protection is an important effort to ensure that every consumer obtains the right when purchasing goods or using service. In today's modern era, products circulate widely both offline and online, making them easily accessible. However, this also increases the potential for consumers to experience losses, either financially, physically, or even in terms of health. To address this issue, the government enacted law No. 8 of which creates consumer rights and regulates the responsibilities of business actors. The purpose of this regulation aims to create a fair, safe, and balanced relationship between producers, sellers, and consumers. What is consumer protection? Consumer protection refers to all efforts made to maintain safety, comfort, and legal certainty for consumers. This includes protecting consumers from defective or harmful products, ensuring that information provided by business is honest and accurate, and setting clear obligations for business actors. The legal basis for consumer protection in Indonesian law No. 8 of through this law, consumers are provided means to defend their right, while business actors are required to conduct fair and ethical business practices. The importance of consumer protection. Consumer protection is crucial because not all goods and services circulating on the market meet the expensive standard of safety, quality, and accurate labeling. Without proper regulation, consumers may easily suffer loss, whether in the form of financial damage, physical injury, or health hazards. Regulation ensures that business actors are responsible for the product they sell and prevent them from engaging in fraudulent or harmful business practices. With strong consumer protection, public confidence in the marketplace increases and economic activity becomes healthier. Consumer rights. According to the Consumer Protection Act, consumers are entitled to several basic rights. These include the right to safety, comfort, and security when consuming products, the right to freely choose goods and services, and the right to accurate, clear, and truthful information. Consumers also have the right to express opinions and complaints about products they receive, the right to legal advocacy and dispute resolution, and the right to compensation if the suffered injury arose due to defective goods or misleading service. This right ensures the consumers are protected from exploitation and negligence by business actors. Consumer rights advocates. Consumer rights go beyond simply ensuring physical safety. They also include the right to information and service quality. For example, consumers must be informed about the ingredients in a food product, its experience, dates, and potential risks of its use. Business actors are obligated to deliver information transparently. If these rights are violated or neglected, consumers have the legal option to file complaint, demand compensation, or even burst coercion to protect their interests. Consumer obligation. In addition to having rights, consumers also have obligation. Consumers are expected to read product information before purchasing, follow instructions for users, and make payment according to agreement. The must also acts in good faith during transaction and uses product reasonability. This obligation ensure that consumer protection work both ways, protection consumer while also encouraging irresponsible behavior on their part. Obligation of business actor. Business actor carry significant obligation ensuring consumer safety and certification. The must provide truthful and complete product information, curate product quality, and ensure that the goods or services they offer do not pose a danger. They are also required to provide after-sales service and after compensation if consumer experience losses. Failure to fulfill this obligation may lead to administrative fines, civil lawsuit, or even criminal sanction depending on the severity of the violation. Obligation of business actor. Additional explanation. From a moral and legal standpoint, business actors must market products that are self-standardized and not misleading. This included ensuring that the label matches the product contents, packaging is adequate, and everything is accurate. The should also provide functional customer service channel so that consumer complaints can be handled safely. Violation of the responsibilities can result in sanction including product withdrawal, fines, and criminal penalties. This emphasizes that business ethics and compliance are essential in protecting consumers from violation against consumer. There are many forms of violation that consumer may encounter in everyday transactions. These include products that do not match the label found in pricing, misleading or incomplete product information, and deceptive advertising. Other common violations involve the sale of harmful products, counterfeit goods, and fraud in e-commerce transactions. These violations not only damage consumer trust but also endanger public health and safety. Impact of violation. Violation of consumer rights can cause serious and lasting impact. Financial losses may occur when consumer purchase damaged or counterfeit goods. Health problems can arise from consuming expired foods or unsafe cosmetics. Safety hazards may also emerge, such as accidents used by non-standard electronic products. Therefore, preventing violation through strict regulation and effective supervision is essential to maintain consumer safety and community welfare. Institutions that protect consumers. Several institutions in Indonesia work to protect consumers. These include BPKN, National Consumer Protection Agency, which provide recommendations to the government. BPSK, Consumer Dispute Resolution Agency, which handles consumer disputes, and consumer NGO such as YLKI, Indonesian Consumer Foundation. Additionally, the district courts also has the authority to handle cases supervises the research regulation. These institutions collectively ensure that consumer rights are monitored and updated. PPKN function. PPKN plays a strategic role by advising the government on consumer protection policies. It conducts research, provides education to the public, and disseminates information related to consumer rights and obligations through promotion and awareness program. BPKN helps strengthen public understanding, enabling consumers to be more informed, critical, and conscious in choosing product or service. Dispute resolution mechanisms. There are several mechanisms available for resolving consumer disputes. The first is negotiation where consumer and business actor attempt to resolve issue directly. Mediation involves a neutral third party to facilitate agreement. Arbitration provides a more formal dispute resolution through an arbitration institution. PPSK offer a special and simplified mechanism to resolve consumer disputes. If all other options fail, the district court becomes the final route for settlement. Dispute regulation. In general, dispute regulation is consumer protection priorities non-legislation because it is faster, inexpensive, and less complex than court proceeding. BPSK, created specifically for consumer disputes, becomes an effective option because its processes are designed to be simple and accessible. This encourages consumers to seek justice without being constrained by competing producers. Example of violation cases. Various violation cases have occurred such as food products in traditional market that do not meet health standards, cosmetics containing hazardous substances, and misleading advertisements. The deceived consumer e-commerce violations are also common, such as sending counterfeit goods or product different from what was advertised. The use of illegal food additives is another example that endanger consumer health. Explanation of case example. A well-known example is the case of the Nereus cosmetic containing mercury. Many consumers were harmed because business actors marketed products without PPOM approval and falsely claimed them to be safe and natural. This case demonstrates how misleading information and lack of supervision can lead to severe consequences. In highlight the need for strict monitoring and consumer education to prevent similar incidents. Protective measures. Several preventative steps are needed to strengthen consumer protection. The government must tighten regulation, improve supervision, and educate consumers through public campaigns. Monitoring advertising content is crucial to prevent misleading information. Business actors need to implement business ethics and comply with standard regulation. Meanwhile, consumers must be more critical, selective, and informed when using products. Protective measures. Consumer protection can only be effective if the government, business actors, and society work together. The government plays a role in establishing law and supervising market behavior. Business actors must maintain honest and ethical practices to build trust. Consumers, on the other hand, are expected to improve their literary and awareness so they can create safe and high quality product. Collective collaboration will create a marketplace that is safe, reliable, and fair for all. Conclusion: consumer protection is a vital aspect of the business world that ensures consumer rights, safety, and justification. By understanding consumer rights, the obligation of business actors, and dispatch regulation maintains a healthier and more equitable business landscape can be created. Ultimately, consumer protection is not solely the responsibility of the government but a joint responsibility of all parties to establish a safe, ethical, and trustworthy marketplace. And I eat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.